guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've decided to kind of redo this wall because it's pretty empty, and every time I film a video from this angle I just don't like how it looks because it's so boring. So I've decided to put some stuff up, and I'm thinking of putting my records. I have quite a few records and I think it would just spice this wall up a little. My room's pretty messy right now, so I think I'm gonna clean up a bit and then rearrange some furniture. Yeah, that's basically what I'm doing for this video. Basically, I've divided them into 4 sections. I have the black ones, the colorful ones, white ones, and I don't know. Wait, this goes here, I guess. Also, this one goes here, same as this one. But these are just the records that have pretty colors, so kind of, yeah, pinkish ones, so I put them there. So this is what I came up with. I'm not completely satisfied with it yet, but I'll try this first and then just change it up if I don't end up liking it. I'm gonna remove each record inside because I don't think it's gonna hold if it has the record in it, because it's kind of heavy, so I'm gonna be using these blue tacks to put on 4 sides of the record and then just stick them up on the wall like that. I hope it holds though. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Okay, so after 2 hours, I finished it. I accidentally switched these 2 up, but it's fine. I'm just gonna leave them as they are. So now that this wall is done, I'm thinking of moving my desk like that and then putting this plant next to that so I can put this kind of, what do you call this, card thingy beside my bed so it can be my bedside table. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and then subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And sorry if this video was kind of weird and a mess. It's just, I just kind of did it last minute, so yeah, it's kind of all over the place. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Colleen Ann, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video.